What's going on, traders? Fella back at it. I want to do a video today because I get a few questions today in my DMs on Facebook about Johnson and Johnson. And if you guys do follow me on Facebook, I'm gonna have to give you guys my government name. But this is my name on Facebook, you guys. This is my government name. And if you guys want to follow me, it's on Facebook. It's my trade coach. That's my page. Or you could request a friendship with me right here. But if you can see, like, let's just go, not to brag with you guys, but I always call out mostly a lot of my swing trades here. And if you can see, let me go. If you can see, I sold Facebook a couple days ago, you guys, when I hit target. I'm always early, like early. Where I'm selling, you guys, is where like most people are buying. But it's like, to me, it's like a kind of a safer strategy. Like I get the like middle part of the move. This is my beautiful girlfriend, you guys, right here. But yeah, this is what I said on March 27th, you guys. Long JNJ, long BAC, right? One was a swing trade, one was a day trade. Bank of America that day was a day trade, and then long JNJ was a swing trade. And I took my target, you guys. I did take my target right here, you guys, at the point like of the breakout before it even got to the 50. Today I think they released news about their like lawsuits, $8.9 billion. But the whole thing is like the recession theme in the stock. This is more of a recessionary stock, you guys. Like if you look at the markets, you guys, today, like mostly everything's in the red, you guys, right? But the question of the day is JNJ still a buy? I can't say yes and I can't say no, like, because it just depends on your strategy. Are you day trading? Are you swing trading? Is it a long time investment? So there's a few different answers here, but I got my guy on Facebook. He just asked me, yeah, now it's time to go long. Well, yeah, it's still making new highs, you guys. It just broke the 50, you guys, and we have room. We have room at least. Like, let's say you just want a few dollars. I have room. We'll see. You gotta watch it. Make sure it holds, you guys. Make sure it holds like the 50 at least, right? Um, Really, you don't even want to see it to go back there. So if you want to build a position on this, I would start by building a little position and making sure it cracks the 200 MA, and that's when I'll get in the rest of the position. So the whole thing is, yes, it's bullish. Yes, it's on a gap up. Could it turn around? It could turn around because it did gap up high. It could still come down and fill this gap right here, you guys, right? So the best way I would say is, like, let's say I want to get in today just to test, see if we want to like test here and I want to get profits here. I would take profits around the 200, right? Under the 200, because let's say if it never gets to it, right? Because that's like the next biggest resistance right now, right? But let's say it breaks at 200, comes back and tests. That's when I'll put on like another small position. Gets above there, that's when I'll like add a little, add a little, add a little, add a little. Now, if you want to day trade this thing, you guys, I'll take you to a like quick 15-minute chart. Depending on where it opens, you guys, right? Let's say it opens, right? And right away it comes up and tests this. It could gap up tomorrow. It could come up. Let's say it opens all the way at here. Or it could gap down. Let's say you want to build if scenarios, right? Let's say if this happens, I'll do this. If that happens, I'll do this. So let's say I'm just a long bias trader, right? And I need this thing to be bullish or come back and test the support. Let's see, it plays around, plays around, plays around, comes back, tests VWAP, holds. Has to be like a two-try failure, you guys. What I mean by a two-try failure is, I don't have enough time right now to pull the pen out, but it goes like one, like the shorts try to break it down, they couldn't, and it goes two, and then three. So that would be like my little ad, and then it comes back to test here. That's when I'll add the rest of the position, you guys. Just in case it doesn't work, you won't be in full size. But if it does work, you'll be in for like on a bullish on the bullish side of it. If you guys know what I mean. So yeah, that's how I see JNJ. But like I always say, like, if you're in doubt, you zoom out, right? I could be wrong, you guys, right? But look at the volume that came today. good volume. I know like there's gonna be a lot of shorts recovered here, but we do have volume. We do have a flat top breakout, you guys. We do have it breaking the 50 MA, and we have earnings coming like 418. So my strategy is like over the years, I match up like the fundamentals with the like what kind of theme the market is, and another thing is like a run up to earnings, right? So I'll run it up like I'll say okay, it's a week or two before earnings, it might run up to earnings, so that might be another little positive thing. So it might run up to earnings, but I'll probably never hold through earnings because a lot of times you never know. It's mostly like a gamble. You never know what could happen. But at least try to run up to earnings and then get the hell out of earnings, you guys. You see. So if JNJ, if you guys will have patience, you guys, JNJ would be nice if he comes back and tests this and becomes new support around this area. 160 would definitely be a buy for me if it holds. But let's say if it gaps up right here, comes back, it has to make a new high. You guys look to the left. What do we see? We see a little resistance right here, right around 170. So past 170, a lot of people would be adding, you guys. Just make sure it holds that 170, you guys. And I don't really pay attention to the news too much. I do put it sometimes. Sometimes I am short, and I don't want to see some crazy news pop out and like it'll squeeze me on a gamma squeeze or a regular squeeze. So sometimes you guys, I'll just have the news. But most of the time, like today, I did not even know. I just read like earlier, like this real fast. The 8.9 thing, blah blah blah. Like all that new stuff doesn't really matter too much to me, you guys, too much because I've been in the market for almost 8 years now, and I've seen a lot of times good news make stocks go down. A lot of times bad news makes stock goes up. Like yesterday, I was explaining to my girlfriend like we need the jobs report to actually be bad because that would mean the Fed's doing his job and it could squeeze the market. So if the job reports, if it comes out like the economy's doing good and the people are like getting jobs, that's actually kind of bad news for the market. So you got to know what's going on in the world, you guys. You got to know a little of the macro, you guys. You want to match everything together, like I always say, a big puzzle. Play chess, not checkers, you guys. Smash that like. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying my best, you guys, to put out more videos more often these days. Any topics, you guys, leave it in the comments. Remember the motto: plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.